Hi everyone, welcome to our next episode of Unlocking Digital Workplace Opportunities in 2023. Today, myself, Sarmista Priyadarshini, a senior analyst in the digital workplace practice, and Mukesh here, the VP of CIS practice, will discuss on the future of cloud-based solutions in digital workplace. So, Mukesh, you have been interacting with a lot of enterprises and service providers, and we have seen some adoption of these UCaaS, DaaS solutions. So, can you also shed some light on what you have been seeing in the market?
Sure. So I think both UCaaS, DaaS solutions, right, and in fact all of the other cloud work-based solutions have also been increasing in the market, right? Especially starting the 2020 period where a lot of cloud adoption happened, where enterprises were really looking to kind of move away from their own traditional data centers and wanted that agility, wanted new business models, etc. in the first place, and therefore a lot of cloud adoption happened and workplace was not left untouched. In fact, it has increased quite a lot in the last 2 years, and what we are witnessing now is that around 30 to 35% of digital workplace contracts do have some or the other components of cloud-based workplace solutions. Specifically around UCaaS, right, we are also seeing around 23% of digital workplace solutions have some component of UCaaS.
So, Mukesh, can you share some use cases which you are witnessing that enterprises are adopting in this case?
Yeah, so multiple use cases across different categories. Around operations, I think enterprises are leveraging it to make it more efficient in terms of working, right? Work from anywhere, any place has become very common. Then, from an onboarding perspective, talent perspective, UCaaS solutions are being increasingly used. From an efficiency perspective, to create better experience for internal employees, UCaaS and DaaS solutions are being used. DaaS is being increasingly used in areas or verticals where more and more government regulations are needed, right? Also from a sustainability perspective, right? Basically all of these devices are not really sustainable if you are procuring and using all of it for a long period of time, and therefore for that as well people are shifting to a DaaS or UCaaS models. So yeah, definitely I think multiple use cases across a lot of categories.
Thank you, Mukesh, for wonderful insights. I hope our viewers also find this very informative. So, to summarize, enterprises are adopting these use cases, and service providers need to revamp their investments to cope up with the demand. Stay tuned for our next videos in the campaign.